Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix in Instagram your account was compromised problem. This is problem. First of all, tap and hold your Instagram. Now tap on app information. Scroll down. You can see storage. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. And then tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. After tap on delete, go back your home screen. Now tap on Play Store application and then tap on search. Search here in Instagram and then type here in Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Now update your Instagram if it is available. After update your Instagram, go back your home screen again. Now restart your device. And then open your Instagram application. Now tap on your profile icon. And then tap on 3 horizontal line top of the right. You can see account center. Tap on account center. Now tap on password and security. And then tap on change password. Now choose your Instagram account. Here type your current password. Type here new password. And then type here retype new password. You can see change password option. Now tap on change password. You can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.